In this video, we'll walk you through setting up Claude to automate your code reviews, enhancing your workflow by integrating it into your projects and customizing it to meet specific coding standards.
Did you know that automated code reviews can reduce your manual workload by up to 40% while significantly increasing the quality of your code? Today, we're diving into how you can set up Claude, a powerful tool for automating code reviews in your projects. Stay tuned as we explore its capabilities, installation, configuration, integration with version control, and more. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to seamlessly integrate Claude into your workflow, enhancing your project's efficiency and maintaining high coding standards. Claude is not just another tool, it's your AI-powered assistant in code reviews. Designed to provide deep insights into your code, Claude supports multiple programming languages and can be customized to align with your project's coding standards. Imagine having a tool that not only flags potential issues but also suggests improvements based on best practices. Whether you're working with Java, Python, or JavaScript, Claude has you covered. Its integration capabilities with popular development tools make it a seamless addition to your existing workflow. Let's explore how Claude can transform your code review process into a more efficient and insightful task. Installing Claude is straightforward if you follow the right steps. First, ensure your system meets the necessary specifications. A modern operating system, sufficient memory, and internet connectivity are key. Head over to Claude's official website to download the latest version. The installation process is guided, but be mindful of common pitfalls, such as missing dependencies or outdated libraries. Claude is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, ensuring it can fit into virtually any development environment. Post-installation, configure the basic settings to sync with your preferred development tools, setting the stage for seamless integration into your workflow.
Once Claude is installed, the next step is configuring it to meet your project's specific needs. Start by exploring the configuration dashboard, where you can set parameters like coding languages, rules, and standards your project adheres to. Claude allows for extensive customization, enabling you to adjust settings for different programming environments. You can also set up alerts and notifications to keep your team informed of code review outcomes. Ensuring compatibility with existing tools, such as your IDE or C/CD pipeline, will streamline the workflow and maximize Claude's benefits. With these configurations, Claude is now ready to provide tailored insights to your project.
Integration with version control systems is where Claude truly shines. Whether you're using Git, SVN, or Mercurial, Claude can integrate seamlessly. This integration allows Claude to provide real-time feedback on code changes, enhancing collaboration and ensuring code quality with every commit. The process typically involves linking your version control account with Claude, configuring webhooks, and setting up access permissions. Once integrated, Claude offers features like inline code suggestions, automated pull request reviews, and detailed reports on code health, making collaboration more efficient and effective. Setting up rules and guidelines is crucial for Claude to function effectively. Start by defining your project's coding standards. These might include naming conventions, indentation rules, or best practices for error handling. Claude allows you to create custom rules tailored to your team's needs. Adjust sensitivity levels to determine the strictness of reviews, balancing automation with the need for manual oversight where necessary. Documenting these guidelines helps maintain consistency across team members and projects. With well-defined rules, Claude can provide more relevant and actionable feedback, enhancing code quality.
Before fully deploying Claude, it's wise to test its automation capabilities. Begin by running initial tests on a small project or a few code files. Pay attention to the feedback provided. Are the suggestions relevant? Are there false positives? Use these insights to refine your settings and rules. Try simulating real-world scenarios to see how Claude handles more complex code bases. Continuous testing and adjustment ensure that Claude's reviews are as effective as possible. Remember, automation is iterative, and ongoing improvements can yield significant long-term benefits in code quality and team efficiency.
Even with the best preparation, you might encounter setup issues. Common errors include installation failures, integration problems, or unexpected behavior during reviews. Start troubleshooting by identifying error messages and consulting Claude's documentation for solutions. Community forums can be invaluable, offering insights from other users who have faced similar challenges. If an issue persists, it might be time to seek professional support from Claude's customer service or engage with a consultant. Effective troubleshooting not only resolves immediate issues but also enhances your understanding of Claude, making future configurations smoother. Maintaining Claude's setup requires diligence and periodic updates. Regularly update Claude to benefit from the latest features and security patches. Revisit your rules and standards periodically to ensure they align with evolving project goals and industry best practices. Training sessions for team members can facilitate smoother adoption and maximize Claude's potential. Monitor performance metrics to gauge the effectiveness of code reviews and identify areas for improvement. Finally, be adaptable. Projects evolve, and so should your setup. A proactive approach keeps Claude running optimally and continuously enhances your development workflow.
Congratulations! You've now learned how to set up Claude for automating code reviews, from installation to integration and beyond. By embracing Claude, you're not just improving code quality, you are future-proofing your workflow against the demands of modern software development. We encourage you to implement these steps and see the transformation in your projects. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video, letting us know your experiences with Claude or any other topics you'd like us to cover next. Subscribe for more insights into the future of development.